Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's 11:21 p.m. Monday, July 31st, 2017. What I have today is a new in-box TAT Windward. Model is called the Islander. It's a brand new. It's brand new in the box. Actually acquired it a few years ago. Here's the original box. The box within the box. Yeah, this is one of those fans that appeared on Craigslist. Very ambiguous description. It just said, there were no pictures. It just said, new fan, 3 blades, and so I took a chance. I was driving by there, and when I used to deliver trucks for Freightliner, had a brand new, I think it was a Freightliner Cascadia or something like that, and I was driving it from Everett down to Brockton, and this was in Bridgewater, I believe. So it was toward the end of my past career, and I just didn't care. I said, "Oh yeah, I'll be over there to pick it up," and showed up in this residential neighborhood, in a semi, and saw the fan, and I figured, what are the odds I'm going to get a, I think it actually said 36-inch 3-blade fan new in the box, and the guy bought it brand new back in the late 70s, early 80s or something like that, and just sat in his basement the whole time. Never got around to installing it anywhere, and so I think I did a video or two of this in the past. I got it probably about, 3.5 years ago, but sometime over that time frame I've done videos of it. But I've never done it actually hitched up to a 5-speed control. So without further ado, I'll set it to speed 1. Two. Three. 4. 5. Yeah, I guess their idea of slow is very slow. And now for the spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Wow, that was fast. Anyway, yeah, please do click like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube page called The Fancave, and check out my Facebook page also called The Fancave. My name is Mark Wilson. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Good luck and good night. Good night and good luck.